Round 3. Right?
Yeah.
Of that thing.
Sadly.
Done. Sadly. All of this to keep these little turds safe. Gotta go back and recreate that piece again.
We just put this right here. This part right here.
I don't think it'll be strong enough to support it. I think it needs to have that too high.
Does not need that.
Tell you what, we're gonna give it a shot his way. Now I'm not convinced it'll stay up there. We're gonna get some. It'll take less effort. We're gonna get a couple wrenches and fix it. Well, so explain what's going on here. We're between these two trees right here, and they are big. They sway so much that they snap the screws off, and I have drilled some screws in there to try to keep them, and they shear off. So the goal is to put that support so it can glide in there and still hold it up, but I think it'll work. It's gonna work just fine. We'll find out. I'm getting my head caught on this damn thing. All right, you got it? All right, let me see it. You want to try to do it? No, you better hold it tighter than that, bud. Get you? Here. All right. There we go. Let's do it. Okay, so you want to hold back here and record me putting this bad boy up. Good job on getting that. That'll save us some effort.
Yeah.
Where the hell is it? Oh, great. Well, you heard it, didn't you?
Yeah. Ding, ding, ding.
It's right here. It's got to be right here. Here, let me back up and widen my circle.
Oh, there it is. It's right there.
Nice. Good job, dude. Good job.
Right behind you.
Good job, kid. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Back in business. Okay. Here we go.
Hi.
Not like that, huh?
Yeah.
Actually, wait a minute, check it out. I go like this, like this. There we go.
Oh, yeah. Why didn't it stick in?
Oh, because of this stupid existing.
Now is it in?
Oh yeah, it's in there. All right, here we go. Get this thing out of here. Oh man, this is crazy. This stuff gets hooked on everything. Holy.
I know.
Okay, there we go. Oh, give me a break, dude.
Bruh.
Ah, gotta loosen it a little bit. Bring it away. Give me that ratchet down there, please. Ah. Oh, you have it on. Ah, damn it.
That'll hold.
That will hold. I'm going to flip that hardware around. No, I'll just leave it like that. Can you go give me a crescent wrench, please?
Oh my goodness. Why?
Or a pair of pliers so I can tighten that lower nut. There we go. That should work well. Not the prettiest looking thing that I've installed, but it's effective. I think. Round 3. Right?
Yeah.
Of
Yeah.
that thing.
Sadly.
Done. Sadly.
Like and subscribe.